just saw this small excerpt from Bahubali, and I think it's fabulous. Like whatever feel you get of a cinema in multiplex, same thing you're getting, same feel you are getting, and basically, more importantly, the audio throwback. Bouncing from the walls. So I thought that because the walls are made of rubber or some material, some fabric, it might not give that result, but it is not that. It's absolutely fabulous.
So how has been your experience with IFFI?
No, this is like, I don't know whether you know, but I am half Goan.
Oh.
So coming to Goa is a sort of a grand thing for me. Every weekend, every year, every May holiday, we used to come here with the family. So anyhow, we have been coming to Goa for vacations. So just like vacation plus cinema. So it's a fabulous thing for me, a great experience. And first IFFI, when it was held, when the new bridge was built, that time also I was invited, and it was a great experience that time. Then I have been coming here after 2-3 years, whatever. But every visit is a great visit, great experience. I gain a lot. I've been getting I have been able to learn a lot. And any creative guy in film industry, filmmaker, maybe actor, whoever, has lots to learn, lots of things he can get from this IFFI. And the way Goa government is doing it, handling it, is absolutely commendable.
So I'm sure many of us would like to know more about your Goan roots.
Yeah, my mom is from Shinkre family. Actually, I'm here right now because last month I was here. I shot a film, which is a bilingual film, Marathi and Konkani. It's called Miranda House. And the director and producer of that film is Mr. Rajendra Talak, who is vice chairman of IFFI. So this was like a double invitation for me. So speaking Konkani, though it's not very easy for me, but because my parents used to speak Konkani at home, I am able to speak very well. And of course, Goan food is is a passion. And generally, whenever I come to Goa, I am not able to stay in the hotels and eat in the hotels because all relatives, they become ragar, ragar जातात ते. असे हांव कोंकणी उलोवंक शकता, मातशी आणि ही जी फिल्म आसा ताजी सगळी डबिंग हांवेंच केल्या. It's not because I've been doing Telugu films also, I've been doing Kannada films, but that language I am not able to dub. But here, because Konkani is being sort of my mother tongue, I was able to dub the film, and I'm sure you'll like it.
So Mr. Talak is a well-known name in Goa. How has been your experience working with him?
He's a thorough gentleman, gem of a person, and as a director, absolutely once he is sure that whatever you are going to give, whatever he wants, you are able to give, you are able to deliver, he is not going to interrupt. He just lets you go. And that's the director any actor likes to work with. And overall, he has a complete command on film technique, because that's why I think his film Sauli, he got national award. So getting a national award is not a joke. So he has to be a great director. And the subject that he narrated me, actually I had come 2 months back for a trek. Basically, I'm a trekker. So I had come on a trek for Dudh Sagar. And that time, just a day before my visit, he had called up and he told me that he's making a film. So I told him I'm coming for a trek, so while going I'll meet you. And then you can narrate the subject. And he narrated me, and I liked the subject, the whole storyline. Very interesting subject, only 3 characters, and it's a murder mystery. So immediately next month we were shooting. And now by the time I'm coming for IFFI here, it's complete.
Wonderful. So, Mr. Milind, you have worked in different genres of movies, be it comedy, thriller, action, horror. What is your favorite genre?
Of course, looking at me, looking at my face and physique, people are going to love me in negative roles. So, whatever films I did, a few films you just told right now, like films like Pareb, Virasat, Devdas, Fir Hera Feri, Katta Meetha, Zor, Zulmi. So most of the heroes I've acted as villain against them, opposite them. So people like me in that negative roles. And I think that's why I also like to perform that. And of course, doing comedy is a rather difficult thing for me, but I am quite good at it. But people are not trying. But I think they should try me once in the comedy section also.
I'm sure people are going to love you in any which way.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you have acted in mostly Bollywood movies. How has been your experience working in other regional movies like Tollywood?
Tollywood means basically southern films, if you say, they are very punctual, very, what you should say, when it comes to payment and all, they are very perfect. And technically they are very well advanced. So overall, southern films, when I do those films, I really like it. Because I am basically myself, I am a punctual guy. And I love to do everything in a professional way. Which is now, in Bollywood also people are doing that way. But previously Bollywood was not that. So, but southern films have been like that for long time now.
So most of us are eagerly looking forward to see you at the movies. So can you tell us more about your upcoming movie?
As I told you, this particular movie, Miranda House, Marathi, Konkani bilingual, should be released in a month or two. Then there is one film called Ummeed, where Freddy Daruwala is there, Pallavi Das, who is a top model, and Dilip Dahil. This is the star cast. That film is now ready, and it will be shown somewhere in the second half of the next year. Then there is one more film called, it's a sort of same genre of disco dancer. You might be knowing a film called Disco Dancer. P. Subhash was the director, and Mithun Chakravarti became a big star after that. So similar genre film is now getting ready, and I am playing the same negative role, which Om Puri played there, I am playing in this film.
I think we'll get to the audience. I'm sure a lot of us are waiting to talk to our favorite star. So any questions from the audience, please raise your hand. The mic will come to you. Any questions?
Yes?
Mic, please.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I had a question, like, how was it for you to work with Shah Rukh Khan in Devdas?
It was a pleasure actually working with him. Though I worked with him for the first time, I know him for a long time. And being in the same industry, we all artists, we know each other very well. In fact, we played one football match long back, and that time onwards, we were good friends. But unfortunately, when I was shooting for Devdas, just few days before that, my father expired. Just I think 2 days before that. And I was not in a very good shape. And the very first scene that I was supposed to give was that, you must have seen that song, Madhuri's song, where I am in a very jovial mood. So the same shot was to be shot immediately after my father's death. And then Shah Rukh was the one who came to me that night. Every day there used to be a night shoot. So he came to me, he sat with me, then consoled me, and he really made me feel easy. So he's a nice guy.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody else from the media or audience? Mic, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I just want to sing a song for you. ए तेरी आंखें झुकी झुकी, ए तेरा चेहरा खिला खिला, ए तेरी आंखें झुकी झुकी, ए तेरा चेहरा खिला खिला, बड़ी किस्मत वाला है वो, बड़ी किस्मत वाला है वो, प्यार तेरा जिसे मिला, ए तेरी आंखें झुकी झुकी, झलकती गालों से लाली, बड़ी तो शर्माया वाली, होठ तेरे पूजा के फूल, फूल की नाजुक तो डाली, ए तेरी आंखें झुकी झुकी, ए तेरा चेहरा खिला खिला, बड़ी किस्मत वाला है वो, बड़ी किस्मत वाला है वो, प्यार तेरा जिसे मिला, ए तेरी आंखें झुकी झुकी.
Thank you so much. Very sweet voice. Though that voice might not suit me, but you have very sweet and delicate voice. And thank you so much for singing this song, which was like 24 years back. It was a big hit in my film Fareb. This generation also knows it is a great thing.
Quite
Thank
a
you.
sport. Thank you. Thank you. Mic there, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So what's your advice for the newcomers in the industry?
Basically, what I feel, which I did, is that you should complete your education first, whatever branch you are in, maybe science, commerce, you should get that degree first or whatever, and then pursue this thing. If you feel that you are exceptional, then of course you have to take a risk. But what I have seen, there are thousands of people coming every day from different parts of India to Bollywood in Mumbai, and very few of them, a very small percentage can be successful, and others, it's a difficult thing for them. So there has to be something to fall back on, and that is your education. So I did engineering. I'm engineer. I'm mechanical engineer, and after that I did modeling, and then after I became model, it was all luck. By default, I became actor. So everybody doesn't have luck. So if your luck is good, well and good. But if it is not, then there has to be something substantial with you, and that is only your education. That's my advice.
It's always good to have a backup plan. Anybody else?
You कोकणी विचारले जरा चलता.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
I just have one question about after that, like going in direction or production.
No, basically, good that you know that I'm one author also. I've written around 12 books, and I'm a photographer. I've done a lot of photography, and I have my solo exhibitions. So my inclination is more towards this side. Photography, wildlife, nature, adventure tourism. You might have seen my serial called Bhatkanti, which was a travel-based serial, which was very, very popular in Maharashtra. It was shown on Zee TV, and it was basically my production, Bhatkanti and Discover Maharashtra, and that's how government of Maharashtra made me ambassador for forest and wildlife. So I would like to do something more in that: tourism, wildlife, forest, photography. Direction is not my cup of tea, because it's a very, very difficult thing. It's a tedious thing. You have to have certain mindset for direction. Acting is that way an easy job. You come to set, do your job, go away, take your money, and you're out. Direction is like full-time for 24 hours job. That's like rather difficult for me.
My turn.
Yeah, good evening, Milan sir. I am
Good
from
evening.
Delhi. I have come from Delhi.
Okay.
And more of people are very much interested to know that Goa festival is going on. But I am from Ministry of Information Broadcasting, the main ministry who is organizing this whole festival for 49 years together. So my question is only that, sir, I saw a number of pictures of about you. So you always played a second role, say negative role, which have given you much more publicity rather than the lead role. If suppose some biopic has been made by any good director, which character you would like to play?
I will have to search for some negative character then. Maybe but it is not that bad. You want to say it should be negative or what? Means, if you give me a scope, or if you give me a chance, I would love to play a positive role also. And then
I want that you should lead a play lead role. Yeah.
any good. See, for me, I have nothing in front of me like. But if there is some classical singer, somebody like Bhimsen Joshi or somebody, because I am into Hindustani classical and I pursue music very much, and I feel that if I get a chance to portray somebody like Allah Diya Khan Sahib or Ustad Amir Khan Sahib, I would love that.
I think media has a question.
एक डायलॉग मार पडा पिक्चरातलो कसला
पिक्चर डायलॉग असतो तो दोघात असतो रे सिंगल मारतात ताका मोनोलॉग म्हणतात सो आय फील दॅट दिस नॉट द स्टेज फॉर डायलॉग मारपाची स्टेज नाही यू कॅन आस्क मी क्वेश्चन्स आय वुड डेफिनेटली आन्सर लेकिन देयर इज वन डायलॉग ऑफ देवदास असली सोने के हैं खास लखनऊ से मंगवाए हैं आप वो नथ पहन लेना चंद्रमुखी, उतार हम देंगे. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much for being here, sir. You took time out of your busy schedule and you're here. And we also learned that you're multifaceted and you're a photographer, you're an author, and whatnot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, audience.
Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me patiently. Thank you.
Hey.